But moving on, let's put the spotlight on Hindalco, as the company had its analyst meet and posed that what is Hindalco's outlook when it comes to some of their subsidiaries, what are they targeting, and we also have some of the brokerage notes coming in from Antique and Motilal Oswal. So let's get in all those details, and Ashesha is standing by with just the same. Ashesha.
Well, yes, a whole host of analysts met with the management of Hindalco and they spoke about their $10 billion capex plans that they had announced earlier. As I mentioned, this capex announcement had come in much earlier, but they've just delved into the details and they've spoken about their capex plans in greater detail. And they've also spoken about their EBITDA margin target for the next few years. So they've given this $10 billion capex announcement. $5 billion will be for India operations. The balance $5 billion will be for Novelis capex plans that have been announced. Bay Millet expansion is already on track and they've spoken about other debottlenecking plans as well. As far as EBITDA margin expansion is concerned, they've given their targets over here, where Novelis, which is Hindalco's wholly owned subsidiary, is targeting EBITDA of $600 per ton. Remember, they have given this target earlier. They had just reiterated their long-term EBITDA target. They say this target will be driven by operating leverage and an increase in recycled content to 75%. As far as industry demand is concerned, that continues to remain strong, where they believe India copper demand is expected to grow by about 2.5 times. And aluminium consumption is expected to double at a CAGR rate of 8% by 2035. So demand continues to remain very strong, both for India operations as well as for Novelis. EBITDA target of $600 per ton is what they've given over the long term. Novelis is adding capacity across verticals, and as far as India's EBITDA expansion is concerned, they say aluminium upstream EBITDA could increase by $200 per ton, for downstream by $100 per ton, for copper by $120 per ton. So capex plans were announced earlier. They've just delved into the details and they've spoken about margin expansion. We have a whole host of brokerage notes that have come on this. Motilal Oswal is maintaining its buy stance with a target price of 770. Antique has maintained its buy stance with a target price of 750, and we have Axis, which has gone ahead and upped their target price to 765 from their earlier target price of 710. So on the back of this management commentary that has come in, Hindalco is in focus today.
Ashesha, thanks so much for taking us through that. Hindalco in focus on the back of its analyst meet and what the brokerages have to make of that. The stock is lower by almost 1.5% as we speak.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.